Namaste to all students. Kushal Vidya, myself JV and Dr. Khushbu Verma, Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science. Today we will discuss about the isolation of total RNA from bacterial cells, for example, E. coli cell. And this session is related to Molecular Therapeutics Lab of program BTech FBT and BSc BT 9th trimester. So first of all, we will discuss about the principle. So as always, when working with the RNA, always use gloves. Use only freshly prepared and autoclave material and use sterile plastic pipettes. Corex mortar pestle tubes must be pre-treated with hydrogen peroxide for 30 seconds. Rinse several times with water and incubated for 6 hours at 180-degree temperature in the oven. So these are basically precautions which we need to follow during the isolation of RNA from any kind of a source. First of all, we will go for the reagent preparation. So, at first, we have to prepare sodium phosphate buffer with pH of 7.2, proteinase, proteinase K 1 ml, and GTC for MGTC for approximately 100 ml. It will be made up by the guanidine thiocyanate in distilled water, and we need to store it at minus 20-degree temperature. And phenol chloroform isomyl solution in the ratio of 25-24:1. Fourth is a sodium potassium buffer for 1 molarity with pH of 5.8 to 8. Next one is the proteinase K with the 20 mg per ml concentration. We need to store it at minus 20-degree temperature. Next one is LB medium, Lira-Bertini medium for the growth of bacteria. And next one is sodium acetate for 1 molarity with pH of 7. And next one is PE buffer with the pH of 7 to 8. And it is made up of the EDTA and plus HCl with the pH of 8. And after that, after the preparation, we need to autoclave it and store at room temperature. Now we will discuss about the procedure. So first of all, inoculate the bacteria in 10 ml of Lira-Bertini media and grow overnight at 30-degree temperature. Use 5 ml of this culture to inoculate 50 ml of LB broth and develop for 2.5 hours at 30-degree temperature up to an absorbance of 0.5 to 0.6 at 600 nanometer. After the getting point, we need to centrifuge it 1.5 ml of the culture in a microcentrifuge tube at 15,000 rpm for 2 minutes. After that, resuspend the sediment at 300 temperature with 0.85% NaCl. Centrifuge it at 13,000 rpm for 2 minutes and shake the supernatant. Supernatant, then resuspend the pellet in 400 microliter of 1.2 molarity sodium phosphate buffer with the pH of 7.2. After that, we need to add 50 microliter of 5% SDS and 50 microliter of proteinase K and shake it and incubate it at 37-degree temperature for 20 minutes. After that, we need to add 750 microliter of 6 molar guanidine thiocyanate, which is GTC. And after that, we need to shake it and centrifuge at 13,000 rpm for 3 minutes. Then we will transfer the supernatant to a new tube, then extract the sample with phenol chloroform isomyl alcohol in the ratio of 25-24:1. And after that, we need to add zero point 0.1 volume of 3 molar with the 3 molar sodium acetate with the pH of 7 and 2.5 volume of cold ethanol. After the adding it, we will get precipitated RNA at 20 degree temperature for 1 hour. We will put that solution in minus 20-degree temperature for 1 hour. Then we will get the precipitation of RNA. After that, we will go for the centrifugation at 15,000 rpm for 20 minutes, and then we will discard the supernatant. Wash the sediment with 70% ethanol. by resuspending and centrifuge at 15,000 rpm for 10 minutes. We will go for the drying of the sediment, and after that we will dissolve the sediment in 10 to 100 microliter of PE buffer with the pH of 7. So this solution will have RNA solution, RNA compound, and precaution we need to follow during all the protocol, that care must be taken to make surgery as possible, like cutting, piping with fine tips, and RNA should not be dried because resuspension in PE are more difficult. All glass, plastic, pestle, mortar items, everything must be decontaminated properly. Care must be taken to avoid cross contamination. These are the references which we can follow for the protocol. And this is the sum up of this session. And this session is powered by Digital Version 2.0, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Hope we are satisfied with this digital session. If you have any query, then mention in the comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you.